the 5th of November and Guy Fawkes night, traditional night in the UK for bonfires and fireworks displays, commemorating Guy Fawkes and his co-conspirators trying to blow up the Houses of Parliament. We're at the Archie Gooch Pavillion in Ilminster. They have some great events, lots of people here today. I've been here for other things, to watch football matches. If you're in the area and looking for something to do, check them out and see what they've got going on. It's always so much fun to hear the kids having fun and the oohs and the ahs as they watch the fireworks. The display itself went on for about 20 minutes. It was a really good display, lots to see, lots of fireworks.